Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you this phenomenal and mind-blowing breakfast recipe you can make with just 1 cup of oats. It's super healthy and easy to make. Let's jump right in. So we'll obviously need 1 cup of oats, and we'll also need 1 cup of warm milk. We're gonna mix this well. So we're gonna crack 2 eggs inside this. So we'll need 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1/3 cup of mozzarella cheese, 3 tablespoons of chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. So we're gonna mix this together until well combined. Now in the pan, I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter, and to it I'm gonna have a 1/2 teaspoon of cooking oil. I'm gonna let that melt and I'm gonna pour the mixture. I'm gonna spread it evenly across all sides to make sure it's all covered up. I'm gonna sprinkle black seeds on top, and I'm gonna cover and cook on low flame for 5 to 7 minutes or until cooked. Now I'm gonna free out the sides, and I'm gonna flip it. So I'm gonna cook for another 3 minutes. And yeah, it's ready. So have a look at this phenomenal and delicious breakfast recipe. And now I'm gonna garnish it with some chopped parsley. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share your opinion in the comment section below. Until next time, bye bye.